What up, my dudes? It is Bite-Sized Brian. Wow, I'm actually making a YouTube video, and I still can't use a green screen. You haven't seen the title of the video yet. I'll be unboxing this bad boy. YouTube sent me a silver plaque. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe if you want more shaving or weird ASMR videos. Okay, let's get right to it. Right. Damn, I can't. All right, I for sure need my glasses now. I'm gonna wear my glasses. I'm probably gonna wear my glasses the rest of the video, so congratulations on your subscriber milestone. You are honored to take a part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exponential. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Here's another letter. I kind of don't want to read it, but very nice. Look at that. I'm gonna put this down. Look at that. It has my name on it. Presented to Bite-Sized Brian. I just want to thank everyone for supporting me, and I have a lot of things planned out, a lot of things I want to do, like the Ikkaku Bankai cosplay, but I gotta take baby steps. Please smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, go for it. And as always, nice.